Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a quick little Louis Vuitton reveal, and I also wanted to touch base on how I've been going on my weight loss journey, and I'm currently on my last few days of my weight stabilization mode, and I wanted to talk more about what this stabilization mode is. So I'll just do the unboxing first real quick, and then I'll get on to my weight update. So I went in today because I don't know if you remember, I don't even know if I did an unboxing with this item because it's only a small item, but yeah, so I got a Louis Vuitton Bandeau, and I was using it for like a couple of times, but I've been using it on my Pochette Metis, and then I was looking at it randomly, and then I saw that just the end of it was like unraveling, and it makes no sense, like, because the stitching of it, of the tip of the Bandeau, it's like inside, so it would be impossible for like something to get caught on the stitching, if that makes sense. So I brought it into my essay, she had a look, and so she got it taken in. She ordered me another one because it was an exchange. So here is the bag. I just went to pick it up. Unfortunately my essay wasn't in today, which is so sad. And they have the Louis Vuitton pop-up for the men. This is the sticker that she gave me. It's so cute. And then she gave me these little cardboard cutouts that you can make into a little combi. I'll make one, and yeah, I'll show you guys later, but it's so cute. So they had this real combi inside the shopping center. It was so cute. So yeah, definitely had photos of that because it drove up from, I think, New South Wales and stuff, and now Gold Coast was the last stop. So here's another sticker. It's so cute. So here's my receipt, the proof of purchase. They ran out of ribbons, unfortunately, but it's okay. Here is the box. Wow, that is actually so cute. Oh my goodness, I've never seen this before. That's so adorable. Cute little tissue paper. Aww. Oh, she didn't give me a dust bag. That's alright. Okay, so this is a cute tissue paper and Louis Vuitton sticker. So I got the, I think it's called the Leogram Bandeau. Here it is. It's so pretty. I miss this. Like, I haven't had it for probably a month or so. But here's what it looks like. I hope it's in focus. I'm using my new camera. I really hope it's in focus. The staff at the Louis Vuitton Pacific Fair are absolutely amazing. I cannot like recommend them enough. They're just so helpful. Amazing staff. Everything is just perfect. So I'm so happy to have this back, and I'm definitely going to be putting that on something that I just got. So if you've watched my luxury wish list, you might have an idea of what I got. I was so shocked that I even got it, so I'm waiting for that and the confirmation to come through. So once that happens, I will definitely let you guys know. But that is my quick little reveal. Moving on to my weight loss update. So I am on day 39, I believe. This is 2 weeks of stabilization. Okay, so this 14-day weight stabilization is basically, to summarize it, so we basically have a gland at the back of our brains which tells our body our ideal weight. So if we lose weight too long or restrict ourselves for too long, so basically our body communicates with that gland and tells it, hey, we're either still losing weight or the food is really scarce and there's no food, and our body pretty much goes into starvation mode. So by our bodies thinking that we're starving, it signals to hold on to fat and to slow down the metabolism. So that's something that you don't want to happen, especially if you want this to be like long-term results. So this usually happens, for instance, you lose heaps and heaps of weight, and then once you go back to your normal eating, your daily life, you slowly add all the weight back on and interest, like plus more. So this program basically helps to improve your metabolism and to help it for the long run as well, because by stabilizing your weight and slowly increasing your food over the 14 days of weight stabilization over 3 phases, it basically sends a signal to your brain saying, oh hey, there's still heaps more food to share. Metabolism, don't slow down, keep going harder, because we have all this food, so that you won't go into starvation mode. So by stabilizing your weight, you might fluctuate up and down between 500 grams, so it is definitely crucial to stabilize your weight and to stop losing weight. You don't want your metabolism to slow down. After the program, if you have reached your goal weight, you can continue to maintain it, and if not, which is me, I'm gonna continue to do another cycle, and then once I keep doing cycle after cycle after cycle, once I do reach my goal weight, and then after that, then I'll maintain my weight. So once I do reach my goal weight, I will definitely do another video too on how I maintain it, but of course I will still update you guys regularly on like each cycle I do, how much I've lost. So as of now, almost just a little over a month, I have lost 7 kilos, which is equivalent to around 15.5 pounds, which I'm super happy about. I'm so happy I was able to buy like my first pair of like real jeans, if you know what I mean, not like leggings or jeggings or treggings, whatever. Actual jeans. And I also was able to wear, I actually bought a dress probably a 1.5 years ago on ASOS, and I was able to like fit it, but it was really like fitted, and it didn't look good like in like certain places, if you know what I mean. But I was able to wear it out properly last weekend, and I was so happy. The numbers on the scales isn't really important, it's the centimeters that you like shed off and like tone up, and that's when you notice a difference. For instance, your clothes will fit more looser, you'll be able to zip up your jeans more better, and that's what I like and what I'm looking more forward to. I've had my little moments like, yay, I finally am able to wear this dress, or finally got to buy jeans. So it's those little achievements that give me the motivation to keep on going. So if you dolls do enjoy these like update weight loss videos, let me know, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that little bell notification to be notified of my next upload. I'm hoping to do a reveal soon of one of the items that I can cross off my wish list. Stay tuned for that, and other than that, thanks all so much for your love and support, and welcome to all my newbies. Thank you for joining the fam, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!